Hi everyone, this is Elaine silvosa, and today I'm gonna show you how to find the inverse one-to-one function. So sit back, relax, and listen. What is an inverse? Inverse a reverse function. If your function takes x and giving you the y, your inverse function will giving you the y and taking back the x. And if it is important to us to know how to get the inverse one-to-one function. It may help us to understand in finding the inverse one-to-one function. What you're just trying to know on how to find inverse one-to-one function. So for our x value, we need to have the corresponding y value. So we have the function f of x, and now we need to find the inverse. Now we have the function f of x plus 2x minus 3. For this function, we need also to remember that x cannot equal to 0 because we cannot divide it by 0. For this function, we will just rewrite this to this f of x to y. So we have y equals 2 close and open parentheses x minus 3. Now we solve for x. Multiply both sides by 6. So 2x will be left here. Divide both sides by 2. So this will be our x value. So where do we get this 2x minus 6? Since our given f of x is 2x minus 3, we do the distributive property. So 2 times x equals 2x. 2 times 3 equals 6. So we copy the negative sign. Now for the next step, the most important step, interchanging x and y, and solve for y. So we have again y equals 2x minus 3. Minus 6 rather. Interchanging the y to x, x to y. X on the right side and y to the left side. So multiply both sides by 6. Crush this out. 2y will be left at the right side. Divide by 2 both sides. Crush it out, so y will be left at the right side. So we have x plus 2 plus the y. Now this is our phi value. And now for the next step, let g of x will equals to x plus 6 over 2. So for our inverse function, we have if inverse of x equals x plus 6 over 2. And now for the last steps, we will solve. Substitute the value of f inverse of x as the value of x in the function of f. So we have f of x equals 2x minus 3. Since the value of x is x plus 6 over 2 equals to 2, the value of x, so we have x plus 6 over 2. And we will use again the distributive property. So 2 times x equals 2x, 2 times 6 equals 12, so plus 12 all over, copy the denominator, and 2 times 3 equals 6, copy the negative sign. So copy this one. And now we will divide this 1 into 2. So we have 2x divided 2 will be x plus 12 divided by 2 will be 6. Copy the negative 6. Cash this out. X will be left. So this will be our final answer. But first, we need to check that if this is actually a function. Sometimes it's just a relation in the function. And for this equation, this is a function because it has its corresponding value of y and x. And another, for you to know if it is a function, we use the vertical line test that should intersects only 1. If this is not a function, simply answer inverse function does not exist. And we can also determine if this is not a function if it has a x squared somewhere. That could be all. I hope you enjoy watching my video. It is a great to teach you on how to find inverse one-to-one function. Just remember everything that we discussed. Once again, this is Elaine Silvosa. Don't forget to like this video and thanks for watching. That could be all. I hope you enjoy watching my video. It is a great to teach you on how to find inverse one-to-one function. Just remember everything that we discussed. Once again, this is Elaine Silvosa. Don't forget to like this video and thanks for watching.